Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I will be using the Centella Asiatica powder or the Cica powder, which is made at home, and using this powder I will be making a night serum which can be used on the skin regularly and achieve a glass skin. This is a very inexpensive way of using a Korean skincare product on the skin which can give you a glass skin. If you want to know, please continue watching. All the ingredients which I have used in this serum is very simple and easily available ingredients. First of all, aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons. It contains salicylic acid, antioxidants and vitamins. It's a lightweight moisturizer which can calm your skin, reduce redness, dark spots, and which is easily available, good suitable for all skin types. Similarly, rose water, which is again suitable for all skin types. It will calm your skin. The most important part of the rose water is that it balances the pH of your skin, thereby reducing inflammation and providing the refreshing feeling of the skin. The next ingredient is a lightweight oil. I am using jojoba oil. You can use almond or olive oil. I am choosing this oil because it is lightweight and it is non-comedogenic and it mimics the natural sebum of your skin. It acts as a balancing moisturizer. It's very suitable for all skin types. And then essential oil, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. If you have acne prone skin, then you can use tea tree oil. I have just gone with the geranium oil, which is very soothing on my skin. The next is glycerin. Again, glycerin is a humectant which draws moisture into the skin from the atmosphere. It is very good to use on your skin, but before that you need to dilute it with little bit of rose water. Therefore, it is a great ingredient to go in this serum. Finally, this star ingredient is this Centella Asiatica powder. This highly expensive Korean skincare ingredient is suitable for all skin types because it has the antioxidant properties which can reduce redness and strengthen your skin barrier, thereby giving you an excellent glass skin. Finally, I have a serum bottle. I have chosen this dark bottle because I had this. If you have a light bottle, no problem. You can use a dropper also and apply on your skin. The next step would be to make the serum. All you need to do is mix all the ingredients and follow the steps as shown. The serum is ready. You can use it directly on your face. Use it during the night time because the grainy texture of the serum will work wonders on your face during the night, and you need to shake well before use and it will easily melt into your skin. You can directly apply on the skin without any other moisturizer because this is the moisturizer. It has the healing properties of Cica or the Centella Asiatica. If you have pimples, acne or blemishes, anything, it will simply go away within a month. With regular use you can achieve the glass skin, and definitely this is the best way of using a Korean skincare product on your skin because this is very inexpensive. If you find this plant, make powder and keep it. You can make a wide range of Korean skincare products with this one particular ingredients. So try this method, try this serum and see how it works. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe and share this. Thanks for watching.